You just make it loud. Do you find that gross?
Because he wants to do me.
Yeah, you do. Because you looked at her like she was weird. I'm trying to talk to you.
That's what she said.
Tell him to come here.
No way, that's creepy. Their parents are going to think of creeps.
So?
I want some ice cream now.
That kid is looking at me like, I don't even know.
Should we get ice cream now?
Are you kidding me?
I'm dead serious.
Are you dead serious?
I am Andrea dead serious.
Ew. Maybe I should edit that out since, you know.
Do you want to feed that to the birds?
Yeah? Okay, let's go.